Hello buddies, let's make this magic cake recipe that can double your batter or double your results of the cake. So this recipe is made with 250 grams of flour and I got these amazing cake loaves. Let's do this. First, you measure out your 250 grams of flour. Here I used all-purpose flour. To that you add 3 teaspoons of baking powder, okay, double acting baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of mixed spice. Now you go ahead and sift all these into your mixer bowl, okay. Now once you are done sifting that, you're going to add in your eggs. You need 250 to 280 grams of egg, but here I use 280 grams of eggs, okay. Like you need like 5 large eggs or 6 small eggs, because this was a small egg, so I used 6. Next you add in 250 grams of granulated sugar, then you add in 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of my combo flavor or any flavor of your choice. Next you go in with 250 grams or 1 sachet of your margarine or butter, okay. So add in 250 grams of the butter and then mount this to your mixer bowl. This is the mixing hook that you need, the whisk hook, okay. That is the one you need for this. So you start mixing it or creaming the batter till it becomes super creamy and becomes light as well. So you need to cream this for up to 10 to 12 minutes or thereabout. So after the first 6 minutes you're going to scrape down and then continue creaming. Once your batter comes out this way, is ready, you're going to take the mixer from the mixing machine and then you are ready to transfer into your baking pans, okay. Now first you're going to make sure you use your spatula to mix everything together just this way. Then you grease your baking pan and line them with baking paper and you're going to transfer this. Here I use my 2 6-inch pan and 1 of my 4-inch pan. So this gave me 400 gram butter in each of the pans, and then the other one 250 grams. So if you like, you can measure each. You can use 3 6-inches and measure each one 300 grams or thereabouts, and it's going to come out perfect. So once your cakes are baked at 150 degrees for 80 minutes, you're going to turn them upside down so that they don't collapse, okay. Once they are cool, then you can turn them up again, maybe after 20 minutes or thereabout, to turn them over again. Then take off the paper at the base of the pan and you are ready to enjoy this cake. I hope you love this recipe.